Going green is the new norm on so many levels. So today I want to share a craft with you that I think will bring some life into your home, and that's a living wall of art. I first fell in love with living walls when I visited the conservatory at the Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas. They have this huge picture frame filled with plants, and it's visually stunning. And I was just thinking about, how do we view plants? They're usually in the ground or in pots, so to see it up on a wall was really inspiring. So today we're going to do our own adaptation on a living wall of art using a shoe holder. That's right, I picked this shoe holder up from a secondhand store, and this is the main component to our living wall of art. It's going to house all of our plants. What you'll need is a picture frame, a shoe holder. You'll need some soil, of course, for your plants. I chose succulents. Succulents are a durable plant, and if you don't have the greenest thumb, it's a great plant to start off with. They don't need a lot of water. You'll also need some palm frond husk and some stones. These two items will create that nice visual beauty inside the shoe holder. You'll also need a stapler, some scissors, a staple gun, and a hole puncher. You'll also need some duct tape to seal the back of your frame. They're the items that you need to create your living wall of art. Let's get started. The first thing that we'll want to do is attach our shoe holder to our picture frame. Now, depending on how big your picture frame is, you'll want to determine how much of the shoe holder you'll want to use. So lay it down, cut it out, and staple it on. Right. Now that we've cut it out, what we're going to do is we're going to take our stapler and we're going to just staple the top of our shoe holders here all the way around, because what will end up happening is this will pull forward, and over time the soil, the water will pull away from the back end, and we want to make sure that that doesn't happen. You can see the difference now. There's only that much pull as opposed to that much pull. Okay, now that we have put staples into the top of each of our pockets to make sure that our plants are secure, we're now going to take our hole puncher and we're going to create holes at the bottom of each pocket so that the water can drain out. And you're just going to go ahead and make holes all the way down. All right. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to go ahead now and attach our shoe holder to the back of the frame. All right, once you've secured your shoe holder to your picture frame, take a look. I'm sure it looks pretty cool. That's the beginning of your living wall of art. Now what we're going to do is cut off any of the excess shoe holder that we have here and use our duct tape to put it around the edge here just to secure it. Now the fun begins. What we're going to do is add our soil, our stone, our palm frond husk, and our plants, and really see this piece come alive. I'm adding the husk to the bottom of the shoe holder for a few reasons. One, it will help with drainage, and two, it will visually look stunning. That was easy. Now we need to add our soil. Now this may get a little messy, but that's half the fun. It's coming along quite nice, right? Don't overfill your pockets with too much soil. You want to leave some room for your plants and your stones. As I mentioned before, succulents are wonderful plants to work with if you're starting off gardening because they're drought resistant and they don't need a lot of water. It's the perfect plant for this type of project. I picked these up at my local hardware store, and what I'm going to do is simply just break up the plant, making sure that every piece of the plant has a little bit of root, and I'm going to place them strategically around the piece. wall of art is really coming to life, literally. So what I'm going to do now is add one final plant just to bring some color to this piece. I have Aptenia. It's another type of succulent, and it flowers this beautiful pink flower here. So we're going to add this throughout the piece. Okay, that's the last plant. Once you have placed in the amount of plants that you desire, the best thing to do now is go ahead and give this a light watering. Let that soil settle, go back, put some more soil and some rock in place. You can put them anywhere. I'm making just a pattern. You can see I have 3 at the bottom, 2 in the middle, and 3 at the top. And just have fun with it. Remember, there's no rules when creating art. And there you have it, a beautiful living wall of art. It's a wonderful craft to do, and it will bring a lot of life to your space.
Are you a crafter on the hunt for your next project? We've got tons of quick and simple ideas for you to try. Just visit athomewithdidier.com. You'll find tons of creative projects from my craft room, along with step-by-step tutorials, guest crafters, and 5-minute DIYs. The ideas are as endless as your imagination when you visit athomewithdidier.com.